I ain't never, ever seen an instruction manual with so many pages. Hey beauties. So your girl is back with another video. And if this is your first time here, I'm Lisa, and on this channel I like to share all things beauty and life in between. I know you're gonna love it here, so just go ahead and do your girl a favor and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a video or never miss a beat, period. Okay. And if you're vibing with me and my personality, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That does help your girl out here in these YouTube streets. Helps my content to become a little bit more discoverable. In today's video, I wanted to pop in and share a recent purchase, which I think may turn into a project. I guess it may be a project for me, but probably not really a project. Let me just get to the point. Okay. So I just been feeling like my life has been just extremely unorganized. There are a lot of things around here I just kind of sort of let go for a very long time. And I just always felt like too exhausted, too tired to just clean it up, organize it, fix it, whatever. And so with me starting my new job, I just feel like I need to establish a little bit more order, a little bit more of a routine in my life, and just to get a little bit organized in my personal space, so that I can do good, if that makes sense, in this role. But I just feel like it's just a cluster of around here that I just need to take care of. And that's probably why my mind just kind of sort of be all over the place. In the cluster that I need to begin with first and foremost is my makeup. And so I did purchase one of those like makeup organizers that you see a lot of like beauty professionals organize their makeup in, or if you follow a lot of content creators on Instagram, you'll see a lot of content creators like organize their beauty products in. And so I decided to get me one, and we're gonna go ahead and start the process of organizing my makeup by putting this thing together, y'all. Okay, now I did purchase one that I saw, I forget who the content creator was, but I saw it on Instagram, and the one that they purchased was from Michael's. But when I purchased it, it was just too short. I'm getting up there in age and I don't need to be bending down like that. So I wanted something a little taller, something with more drawers that'll provide me more storage space, because I got a lot of junk. I think I want to show y'all, but I'm not sure yet, because y'all gonna talk bad about me. Like, it's bad. But I definitely wanted more storage. I may need another one, but I just wanted to start with this one, just to see where I need to go from there. And of course I'm tuning in, I'm popping in at night again, because I gotta wait till my babies, my boos, are asleep, because y'all know I got a toddler that like to, you know, help. And as much as I love her, this is something I don't really want her to help me with. Don't tell her. She's a great helper. Yeah, so this is just part of the mess that I'm trying to clean up right here that I've created. And I promise y'all, I'm gonna do better. I do a lot of recording in my room, and if you've ever seen something like hanging up behind me on a door, it is this thing right here. I got this little organization hack thingy from Pinterest. I don't know what I was thinking, because it, as you can see, like leaves the door dirty, and I find myself having to like clean the door a whole lot. So I have this thing up here. I also have this stuff here. And then I have this gray thing here. So here is my truth. Y'all can talk about me, but I am walking in it. And that's the purpose of this. But yeah, I got my box cutter here, and let's try to see if we can make this thing do what it do.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime you the first.
So I'm already seeing that this is going to be more than I cared for it to be. Not only did it come with those board pieces that you saw me pull out, but all of these little pieces as well. See? These are like individual pieces. I don't know.
I'm in droves. Take flight. Was never on the same court. Them guys. Not I. Before you judge a book, try reading it. Before blasting all of your Insta feeding it.
So I had to move this over a little bit. There are so many pieces. Y'all, I finally found the instructions. There are so many pages. I ain't never, ever seen an instruction manual with so many pages. Like, ever. But it doesn't seem like it'll be as complicated as I thought. I just need a screwdriver. I was hoping it wasn't. Let me make sure I have two. Oh, I guess these. Like, there's so many screws. No wonder it was on sale. No wonder it was so cheap. Because the one that I purchased from Michael's originally had, it was smaller, less pieces. But it seemed like it would be easier to assemble, and it was like roughly about like $75. This one was on sale for $100, and it had maybe like 3 more extra drawers. So I was like, for 25 more extra dollars, I might as well get the extra storage. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I can't lose any. Put these right here. Yep, that's done. So many pieces, dog. Let me tell you what else I needed to add to these instructions. And like this, I'm gonna link, but you guys beware. But the instructions are trash. Like, it's only goddamn pictures. And the funny thing is, I prefer instructions when it's just pictures, when it's a simple setup. But this is complicated AF, and y'all just gonna give me some pictures? Y'all, I'm so over this, and I can't believe I started this late. Listen, every part of this, I was almost excited to put this together. I was, in fact, I was excited to put this together. But every single piece of this thing, I have to put together, even down to the mechanisms for the, almost cursed, for the drawers. Like, I have to build the drawers. What the did I get myself into? I don't know why I didn't read the, I did not read the reviews. And you know what the thing is? This thing has like 5 stars. 5, well, 4.5 damn stars. And what I normally do is I will go to the reviews and I will read the one with like the lowest, like, because I'm a firm believer that somebody's always gonna have something bad to say. So I normally just always go to like the worst review, because I always want to know like what's the worst thing that somebody has to say. And then I determine if I want to move forward based off of the worst thing, the best thing, the worst thing, and the best thing that somebody has to say. But nobody had like a horrible thing to say. Like the lowest score was like a 3.2. A 3.2. So maybe I was just expecting too much out of this. So to work we go.
About to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chilling, that's the motto. Do we really want to take it there? Girl, it's been too long. Clock done fell off the wall. Been out here writing songs. Where the hell did the time go? Take on my passions with pain, but would you do the same? I'm going so insane, thinking about where you and I go. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. Baby, we can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time, about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chilling, that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? I scream, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there. Summer nights, you're my favorite girl. We can face the world, we stay up until the sunrise. Sometimes you get angrier, things get dangerous. Can't get up and get on my ride. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my...
Okay guys, so the original footage did get lost, so I had to bust out with this voiceover. As you can see, this did eventually get completed. It took about 2 or 3 days, and I do have my items somewhat organized. It's been about 2 weeks since I've had to record this right here, so of course with usage it's kind of all over the place, but I'm happy with the result. If you've made it this far with the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. And